Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome back to Chetna Vibrations channel. Today, we are delving into a topic that touches each one of us, overcoming doubt and negative thinking. If you have ever felt held back by your own thoughts, you are not alone. I, Pure Soul, am a certified healer and life and wellness coach. Acknowledging the impact of negative thinking. Before we embark on our journey of overcoming doubt, let's take a moment to acknowledge the impact of negative thinking. It can create barriers, cloud our vision, and hinder our potential. Identifying doubtful thoughts. Doubt often sneaks in quietly, becoming a constant companion. Let's explore how to identify these thoughts and understand the patterns that keep us stuck. Challenging negative thoughts. Now, armed with awareness, let's talk about challenging those negative thoughts. We will explore practical techniques to flip the script and replace doubt with empowering beliefs. The power of affirmations and visualization. Affirmations and visualization are like armor against negativity. Join me as we uncover the transformative power of these practices in reshaping our mindset. Embracing self-compassion. In the midst of doubt, it's crucial to embrace self-compassion. We will explore how being kind to ourselves can be a catalyst for positive change. Overcoming fear of failure. Doubt often stems from the fear of failure. Let's talk about how we can reframe failure, turning it into a stepping stone towards growth and success. Building resilience. Resilience is the antidote to doubt. Discover how developing resilience can help you navigate through setbacks and emerge stronger on the other side. Thank you for joining me on this journey of overcoming doubt and negative thinking. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, trust in your journey and may your path be filled with positivity and self-belief. For more insights into personal growth, mindset shifts, and other transformative topics, check out these videos on your screen. Stay tuned for our next adventure together. Remember, you have the strength to overcome any doubt that comes your way. Take care.